డేటా స్ట్రక్చర్
తీసుకుంటానండి.
మరి యాడ్ అయినాడు యాడ్ అయినదంటే
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, sorry for the delay. So bus came a bit late today. So almost 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes. Okay, no problem. Is it visible now, scribe? Murali?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
All right. So, what we have seen last class? BFS and DFS diagrams, we have done it and have given some of the problems also to solve it. I hope you might have done it. Some of the people, they have uploaded also. So activity we have done it. Now we'll see. The next one is called the difference between BFS and DFS. Difference between BFS and DFS. Right. So, which data structures we have used for DFS? Which data structures we have used? It should interact. It is not one-way traffic. It should be both the ways. Which data structures we have used?
Stack.
Yeah, that is what the first difference. This is called the stack. Here.
Queue.
Yes, queue. Next. So even if you want, you can write the stack data structures used. Here is queue data structures used. Next. Edges. So edges is nothing but the tree edge, back edge. So tree edge, backing edge. So here is what will happen once you visit that particular road. So from there again you are starting. That is why tree edge, that is nothing but the back edge. In this case, what will happen is tree edge is nothing but what will happen? You will be connecting all. That is called the cross edge. That is what the second difference. And we'll go for the third one. Applications. Here is connectivity, acyclicity, articulation. Connectivity, acyclicity, articulation points. Cyclicity, articulation point. Here is connectivity, acyclicity. Here also same thing. Connectivity, acyclicity, minimum edge points. Minimum edge points. Efficiency for adjacency matrix. What is the efficiency for the adjacency matrix? Is nothing but theta of n square. Here also same thing, theta of n square. Next one is adjacency list. Theta of n plus e, number of edges plus number of vertices. Here also same thing, theta of number of edges plus vertices. Number of nodes plus edges. This is what the difference between BFS, DFS. Actually, just remember which data structures you are using for this and what is the time complexities and how you are solving for this problem. That's it. So here is data structures. So stack means from which edge you have visited recently. From that node, you will be starting. In this case, what will happen? Q cross edge will be taken. So for example, if your starting node is nothing but 3, if you take, you will be checking 3 to 1, 3 to 2, 3 to 3, 3 to 4, 3 to 5. All edges will be checking which one, all the nodes, wherever you are having one, that will be connected and it will be moved to the queue and connecting to the list. So once it is connected, according to the queue, which one is visited first, from there again you are starting. So you will be seeing that there is no cycles. A cyclicity you are connecting and you will be checking that there is no cyclicity, cycle. A cyclicity you are connecting. Connectivity is nothing but the acyclicity. That is what the applications here, both are acyclicity only. The way of working of the data structures is different. So here is the major difference is stack and queue. Remaining is almost the same only. That you have to remember and you have to write it in the examination. So here, examination, they will be asking what is the difference between the BFS and DFS. Next one is some of the applications I told you, topological sorting. Topological sorting. Right. Topological sorting is a sorting method to list the vertices of the graph in such an order that for every edge in the graph, the vertex where the edges start in the list before the vertex where the edge ends. So that is what you have to say it. So for example, here is we have the two types of the sortings are there. One is called using DFS method. Another one is called the source removal method. Source removal. These one, the two methods are there. One is called the DFS. Another one is called the source removal method. Now we'll go for the using first one is called the DFS. Right. Topological sorting. So topological sorting is nothing but you know that the elements are arranging the elements in either ascending order or descending order. Here DFS topological sorting is nothing but so which node will be coming first, which node will be coming next. So you may not be getting sorting order here. So which order based on the DFS? DFS you know that how it will be working. For example, 1 to 6 is there. First 1 to 6. From there 6 it will be starting. So you will not be getting exactly the starting order in this case. The which way you are visiting first node and second node and so on. That is what the topological sorting here. Now write the diagram here. So here is perform the DFS travel and note the order in which vertices becomes dead ends. So perform the DFS traverse and note that order in which vertices becomes the dead end. So that is what you have to say. Next is reverse the order yields the topological sorting. That is what you have to do it. Now let me solve this first one problem, then you will understand what is the definition, all those things. First itself, if I say the definition, what will happen? So what SAR is telling, vertex, source, all this that only. So what I will do is first I will solve this problem, then we'll define once again the definition. Write it. Solve the problem. Copy the problem first. Solve the following diagram. Using topological sorting. You have two methods. One is called the DFS, another one is called the source removal method. So first we'll say DFS. I'll write the problem in next phase. Right. I'll move to next phase. I write the problem. C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. Right. Copied the problem. Right. So one example I will give you here. Let us forget sometime this. Who's there? Now I want only gents to say this example. Somebody came and went here. Kishore. Kishore is there. Kishore. Not there. All right. Sunil. Sunil is there. Where is Sunil? Murali Krishna. Murali Krishna.
Yes, sir.
Right, sir. So For example, simple example I'll tell you. You have shoes, socks, lace, and pant. Don't assume remaining things and all. Which one will wear first?
Socks.
You have pant,
Socks.
socks,
Pant.
shoes, lace.
Will
So which one will do it first? Which one will wear first?
First pant.
Okay, next.
Socks.
Next.
Shoes. Next lace.
Yes, next.
That's all.
When you will wear shoes?
Sir, I told shoes already. Shoes, then lace.
Okay, right. So here is some of the order he told. So first one is pant, next is
Socks.
socks, next is shoes, next is lace he told. So what I'm saying is first I'll wear. Is it possible to wear first socks, shoes, lace, then pant?
No, sir.
Is it possible?
No, sir.
No. So what will happen? We can try it, but pant will get gullies or something will happen. So or if sometimes it is not possible if it is tight pant.
Yes.
So why you are choosing like this? When you have the order, why you are following that order? So because we have some of the rules, regulations, or whatever you say that. So according to that, we will be going. Correct, no? Isn't it? So, for example, if I'm having, suppose if you are having banian and shirt, so can I wear first shirt next banian? Is it possible?
No, sir.
Okay. So that is what the here also same thing. So which one to be taken first and which one to be taken next? That is what you have to take it. So now this is what the diagram you are having. Now which one to be taken first, which one to be taken next. So that means what? Example also textbook topological sorting is whatever I have told you. You have the same example only, it will be there. You can check it out in the textbook also. So here is you need to take which node to be taken first here. You have the diagram here. So here is apply DFS based algorithm to solve the topological sorting problem for the given graph. That is what the problem says, and now we have to solve this. So for example, write the rules. Step first one, next one is the graph, another one is called the remarks, first one. Now here is DFS means stack will be there. There is no doubt in this. And which one to be starting first here is where you don't have the in degrees first. Where you don't have the in degrees first. Where you don't have in degrees first in this graph. Murali
C1
Krishna.
and C2.
Huh?
C1 and C2.
C1 and
C2.
C2. So C1 and C2 both you don't have the in degrees. You can take anyone in this case. You can take anyone this case. Now take this. First one is called the C1. Let it C1. Next. C1 insert into the stack. Next. Next, where you don't have degrees,
C2.
C,
C2.
C2. Right. Write it. The second one is called the C2. C1 and C2. Right. Now, for example, C1, listen here 1 second. C1, C2 you have taken, and remaining is C1 you don't have in degrees, you have deleted this from that graph. C2 you don't have any in degrees, you have deleted. Actually, strictly talking, I'll make it here rough work here. See here, just understanding purpose. Now, actually, C3, C4, C. Just simple. Now, for example, C1, C2, actually you had like this, and C1 is you pushed into the stack. Now this is not there, let us assume that. Now C2 also pushed to the stack, assume that it is not there. Now which one you don't have in degrees?
C3.
Yeah, C3. That is what. All of you, what about others? Not only Murali Krishna. Just I called Murali Krishna to say this. That's it. So others people also, please see this graph. Okay. In this graph, what will happen? C1 is inserted to the stack. C1 is deleted. That means what? C1 you have taken. Next is C2 is deleted. That is you have taken. That is you have moved into the stack. So now where you don't have the in degrees, C3 is in degree you don't have. So now that you write it here. Step number 3, you have C1 graph as it is, C2 and C3. Now you assume that C3 is deleted. Now that means what? C3 wherever you have degree in outgoing degrees, that is also deleted now. Now remaining is where you don't have degrees.
C4 and C5.
Where you don't have in degrees. C4 and
C5.
C5 you don't have in degrees. The remaining graph is something like this, C4 and C5. Where you don't have in degrees.
C4. Only C4.
Huh?
Only C4, sir.
Only C4, that's it. Now delete this also. Next one is next. Right, sir. Next, which one is? You don't have degrees in this? Only
C5.
C5. Yes. Write it here, C5. C1, C2, C3, C4. Next is C5. Now move to the stack C5. Move to the stack. That means what will happen? C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. Right. Now, what will happen? You have to remove the whatever it is there in the stack. Do you have any other possibilities is there or not? You have to check it out. For example, I'll write it one more rough work here. Just rough work. No need to write it. Just you see here. Suppose if you are having like this, what will happen up to C4 also same thing, C5 also deleted. Now what will happen? C5 you have moved to the stack, move to the C4, then whatever the nodes are there, C6, C7 you have to try. That is the reason this is stack. That means what? You are going one direction where recently visited node, from there you are visiting. So that from that node, do you have any other nodes visited? When you are popping out the stack, this will be happening. So this will be taken into the consideration. Now C5 pop out, come to the C4. Then if you have any node C6, C7 is there, you draw that one. Next C4 delete it. That means pop out from the stack and come to the C3, pop out the C3, next to C2, next to C1. So if you have any chance, it will be taken care. Now anyway, in our diagram, it is not there. So no problem. Just remove C5. You write it the next step. Remove from stack C5. Just put the arrow mark like this. C4, next is C3, next is C2, next is C1. Because you don't have any unvisited nodes from C4, C3, C2, C1. Because whatever they have given the diagram, they have given the simple way. So that we have completed, we have visited all the nodes. So we have completed. These were the topological sorting. Now, do you have any problem this? Do you have any problem with this?
No, sir.
Yes. Now, Murali Krishna,
Yes, sir.
just for other end, I am telling, just these also right. So he told he has started with first. So now let us see the original diagram. All of you copied this. Shall I come back to first page now? Right. Now Murali Krishna told he has taken C1. Correct, no? So where you don't have in degree, other one, no, Murali Krishna?
So C2.
C2, we can take that also, no? So now we'll complete this, then we'll come back to that one. Now, what is the order in this case?
C1, C2, C3, C4, C5.
Topological sorting C1. Next one.
C2,
C1, comma C2. Next one.
C3,
C3, C4,
C5.
C5. This is over. Now, other one. Just see the diagram. What you told? Which one will be first? C1 we have taken. So somebody will take C2. That is also right. Somebody can take C2 also. Where you don't have the integers, C2 also you don't have integers. I can take this also. So what will happen? C2. Right. Now The original diagram I'll write it something like this. C1. Just listen, understanding purpose, that's all. You write that one only, that is more than sufficient. If you want both also can written. So what your diagram. Now if I start with C2, what will happen? This will be removed. Now where you don't have the integrase, where you don't have the integrase, Murali Krishna, complete it.
Sir, C1,
C1. Next,
C3,
C3. So remove this. C3. Next.
C4,
So once you remove this also will be happening deleted. That is nothing but the C4. C4 delete means this one will be deleted. Next, what will happen?
C5.
C5. That means final answer. Textbook, if you see it, what will happen? C2, C1, C1 to C3, C4, C5, C1 to C2, C3, C4, C5. So that means what? Either you can start with C2, C1 or C1, C2. So any order is possible. This is what comma in the sense is nothing but final answer when you are writing. Anyone can be started here. From there, C3 you have visited, from C3 to C4, C4 to C5. Here also same thing. You can take C1, C2, next is C3, C4, C5. Here C2 is the first one, next is C1, C3, C4, C5. So final answer can be written like this. So both the orders are right. So this also right, this is also right. So means what you have to take is the graph is nothing but how you have to take is where you don't have the integrase, that will be taken first. Next. Now I'll give you source removal method. It is easy. Shall I finish that also? Then I'll give you the homework. Right. Go to the next one. That is simple. Murali Krishna, 2 minutes. We finish this source removal method. Same diagram you take it. C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. Same diagram. Write the solution. C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. Right. Which one you don't have the integers in this? First is the C1. Normally we'll take C1, C2 is there. Anyone you can take. I'll tell for this C1. Delete C1. I don't have time. Just I'll write the solution directly. C2, C3, C4, C5. Any doubt with this? First step is what I've done, delete C1. So delete C1 is nothing but you will be deleting that particular node, write the remaining vertices and edges. So remaining vertices and edges you are having C3, C4, C5 and C2. Connected that diagram. That's it. Next, where you don't have the integrase is nothing but C2. Delete C2. So now delete C2 means write the remaining nodes C3, C4, C5. Right. Now, where you don't have the integers is nothing but C3. Now, what you have to do is delete C3. You can write one by one diagram because I am not having the space. That is the reason I am writing parallelly. Okay. So, exam you write it one by one. Delete C3. So, once you delete C3, the remaining nodes, what will happen? C4 and C5. Next, where you don't have the integers is nothing but C4, you don't have the integers. Right? Delete that node. Delete C4. Now you have only C5. Next is delete C5. Delete C5. So now you don't have any nodes, no nodes and edges. So final answer C1, C2, C3, C4 and C5. C1, C2, C3 and C5. This is not the answer. Any doubt this? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Right. So this is easy, compared to that.
Yes, sir.
This is easy. So what will happen in this case? Just remove that particular node. Actually, the way of working is the similar there. We are using the DFS method there. So once again, we are coming back. But in this case, nothing. That's it. So these were the source removal method. Source removal method in the sense where you don't have the integers, that to be taken first, deleted this. Next, where you don't have the integers, write it. Suppose, now clear this up to here?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I'll write one more diagram. Now tell me your conclusion. So laboratory program also one topological sorting is there. For example, if I give like this, tell me your conclusion. C1, C3, C2, C4, C5. Who will say? Rashmi? Rashmi? Arjun?
Yes, sir.
Which note to be taken in this case, sir?
Sir, everything is like there is no integrity, sir, in that diagram.
There is no?
Integrity, sir.
Yes. No integrity nodes are available. We cannot write any topological sorting.
Yes,
No topological order, write the solution.
yes, sir.
Exam also same thing. No topological order. For the given problem, because what is the reason?
No integrity, sir.
Huh?
Integrity, sir, not.
No integrity is available. No integrity node is available in the given diagram. Is it clear now? Right. Write it. Today's assignment. This is one diagram, and second diagram. These were two diagrams. You need to solve it and tell me tomorrow. Figure 1 and figure 2, both SOSUVOL and DFS method. Okay, so you remember that where you don't have the in degrees, there you have to start irrespective of the diagram. You don't worry for that. So some cases, if you'll be having 2 to 3 steps, then you'll be having no topological order. Up to there you solve it, then you write it. From here there is no in degrees. All the nodes are having the in degrees, so we cannot solve this problem. There is no topological sorting. That's it. You have to write like that. Answer attendance 1,
Yes, sir.
2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Yes, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6. Arbaz Khan. 7,
Present, sir.
8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10. Tell fast. 10. Bhargavi. 11,
11 present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14,
Present, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21,
Present, sir.
22,
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
24, 24. Kishore.
Yes, sir.
Hey, when you have connected?
Sir.
When you have connected, sir? Now. You got up now and you have connected, huh?
No, sir.
I called twice, you are not there only. 25,
Yes, sir.
26,
Present, sir.
27,
Yes, sir.
28,
Present, sir.
29, Nilanjan, 27, absent, okay, 28, no, sorry, 30,
Present, sir.
31, TD series, 2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5, Priyank, 4 present. 5. Pawan Kumar was there. Okay. 6. Akash. Akash.
Present, sir.
How much time you want to say attendance, Akash? 7.
Present, sir.
8.
Present, sir.
9.
Present, sir.
10.
Present, sir.
11.
Yes, sir.
12.
Present, sir.
13. Vishal. 14.
Yes, sir.
15. 16.
Present, sir.
17.
Yes, sir.
18.
Present, sir.
19.
Present, sir.
20.
Present, sir.
21. Sunil.
Hello. So 21 present, sir.
Okay. 22.
Present, sir.
23.
Hello.
Present, sir.
present, sir.
Right, sir. Given. So 23. Vinny Rana present. Okay. So today you have lab internals. Already I told you the syllabus also. So I'll tell you first laboratory question number. Then what you have to do is you have to write it once. Then you have to execute. Then you have to show it to me. Whatever you have written, that should be uploaded in the Google Classroom. First 10 MCQs questions will be given. That will be evaluated for 5 marks and 10 marks for the test. Total 15 marks. And T2 also 15 marks. 15 plus 15, 30. 10 marks will be continuous evaluation, record, and any other assignments. Okay?
Sir,
Tell me, Murali Krishna.
that time function, it is not working in Turbo,
Time function is not working in
Turbo C.
Turbo C.
Yeah, sir.
Well, anyway, free tools are available. No, Unix only. You take it Unix. Turbo C is free. Commands are different, sir. These commands will not work there.
Yeah, sir, but it will take so much time to install, sir, that my laptop is so much slow. I tried to install it, showing something
No,
like
online
failed.
tools are available. No, just you type it there and execute it and show it to me. Share the screen. That's it.
Okay, sir.
No. If you
Sir,
have
good
been
morning,
told
sir.
long back, I would have been told for that commands also. That commands are different. Okay. Here, get time of the day you are taking. There, commands are different. Header files are different.
Yeah, sir.
So,
Sir, in
Sir, good
online
morning,
tools,
sir.
we can't use time function, get day, like time of the day function.
where
Sir, we did, sir, but the thing is, we are getting so much errors over there. Yes,
Where?
sir.
Which software you are using? Turbo C is not possible. Turbo C is
So
not
then
possible.
we are not
You
getting the
use
software, sir,
Linux
to
operating
it.
system only, Unix. Turbo C, if you use it, it will not work. So that means it shows that you didn't solve the problems till now. Now you have started because of the internals. No, that you should have told it long back, sir. We are facing problem with VMware or some other softwares. We are having only Turbo C. You tell me that one how to solve it. I should have told it. Okay. So you try it out now. So which is possible, you try it out. So if you are using Turbo C, just you make it comment lines. What is that called? Time commands, and execute it and show it to me for remaining.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, only the time function will remove and we'll show the rest
Time
of the
random
programs.
also sometimes it will show error, I hope.
Sir, I removed the time function, then it is executing.
Time, okay. Then okay, no problem. Random function, I hope same there also, right?
Sir,
Time
random
function will not work.
in that will
That you
yeah,
make
in
it
that,
for me because
random-
don't get tension now. So some other time you show it to me later. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Exam, how
Yes,
much is possible, you show it now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now again installing some other VMware or going for other one, wherever you have practiced, that one only show it to me. But that is not right. Okay. So examination also here will give VMware only. You try to use VMware only. Online softwares are available. Just go to Google and type it. C software using Unix. You will get it. That one you open it and type it there and execute it. That's it. Over. Matter. Okay. I'll stop. So probably sir is waiting for other class.